that if you want to have detail and you want to maintain that, the way you maintain it is you go across it, and that will maintain all that detail as you put in more value, because it's going in a different direction. Okay? And if I want that to go away, all I have to do is now match it up with more lines. I might go ahead and make them lighter, or back them off as much as I can by tapping them back. But there's no way that you're going to be able to tell those lines are there when they're one of many. Just like I've illustrated it, and I used this little boy that was in my class one time, and one of the students wanted to know, well, how am I going to get rid of that? And I said, well, all you need to do is put that little boy with his, with a yellow jacket on, out in the middle of my court that I live on, all by himself, and he's going to stick out like a sore thumb. You can't miss him. He's the only thing in yellow out there in the middle of my court. But if I put 100 little boys with yellow jackets on, you'd be very hard to find that little boy, because he blends in with the environment. So anyway, see how this is going away? Now, I don't want to spend too much time, but that's exactly it. You want to maintain it, go opposite. You want to go with it, you want to get rid of it, lighten it up as much as you can, and then go with it, the same direction. I hope that helps some of you.